What the fuck? Yeah. I don't like Khasi. I don't like Khasi. I like my boyfriend Dhakar. Really?
Chill.
I stay in Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore. I like Bangalore because I don't like Khasi.
I don't like Khasi. I don't like Khasi. I like my boyfriend Dhakar. I am in Bangalore. Whoa. Hello, my dear friends. I have no intention of uploading these videos or making these videos. But it is always necessary that our people should know what had happened. Especially her own family members, her own relatives and friends. They should know this. They have sent her to Bangalore for her studies, not to condemn or talk against their own people. But she does just the opposite side. Remember, wherever you are, how great you are. Always try to give importance to your own culture, to your own language. When you love your boyfriend Dhakar, it is your privacy. You need to explore it. You don't need to condemn your own people because you love your boyfriend Dhakar. Do you really think that your boyfriend Dhakar is more handsome than the Khasi boys? I don't think so. We always try to give respect for our own culture, for our own language. That is more important than anything else. I'm precisely speaking in English so that you may understand, as well as your boyfriend also. If you want me to speak in Hindi, that also I can do it. If you want, just you come on in the section. I'll try to speak in Hindi as well. So that
Simpan naman panmabenda kamistin kabasngurin Nangala kungkren tome hadu kartu yaki Khasi pat kicap den rewate kiwai walong dan kumbalong manga mukha shiwa bapingkiran yakin kikintin hapar khad asin kana makanam babe yapi hadim kunjuro ngapang ma yakasengke esyuru dangala kungkren